In the name of Almighty Allah, today we will discuss about Political Science Paper 1, 2022 MCQs. So the first one is the word polis means a city state, and Plato is the author of Republic. Plato has three great political dialogues: the Republic, the Statesman, and the Laws. Reconstruction of religious thoughts in Islam was written by Allama Muhammad Iqbal, and the dissolution of khilafat and the establishment of Grand National Assembly was appreciated by Allama Iqbal, and the concept of separation of power are given by Montesquieu. And fascism, a theory originated in Italy. Fascism is a right movement, authoritarian, ultra-nationalist political ideology and movement characterized by a dictatorial leader, centralized autocracy, militarism, forcible suppression of opposition. So fascism basically started in Italy and Nazism started in Germany. And political science begins and ends with the start is given by Professor J.W. Garner, and Wealth of Nation was written by Adam Smith, and Muqaddimah was the great work of Muslim philosopher Ibn Khaldun, and our discourse on the origin of inequality and the social contract was presented by Jean-Jacques Rousseau, and Ahyaul Ulum is the work of Muslim philosopher Al-Ghazali, Imam Al-Ghazali. Al-Mawardi was a jurist who followed the fiqh of Imam Shafi and founder of utilitarian school of thought was Jeremy Bentham, a Western political philosopher, and a voluntary union of sovereign independent states is called confederation. Example of confederation are the Commonwealth of Independent States, CIS, formerly known as the Soviet Union, Switzerland Canton System, and the Confederate States of America are the example of confederation. And Siyasat Nama was written by Nizamul Mulk, and Machiavelli by birth was Italian, Western political philosopher. And the concept of surplus value is given by Karl Marx. So the concept of surplus value is a major concept in Karl Marx's critique of political economy. Conventionally, value added is equal to the sum of gross wage income and gross profit income. So this is the concept of surplus value by Karl Marx, and the title of Ambassador of Hindu-Muslim Unity was given to Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah by Sarojini Naidu, and general will as a concept was introduced by Jean-Jacques Rousseau. General will in political theory a collectively held will that aims at the common good or common interest for all. So it's all for today. Subscribe and follow Dawn Times. If you have any question, you can ask below in comment. Thank you.